With the Yuletide drawing closer, it is another time of the year when individuals and corporate organizations give back to the society. This time around, K Hair, a leading brand in hair manufacturing from Vietnam, in the spirit of the season, visited the Red Cross Motherless BaBies home in Onitsha, Anambra State, to show love to the children. Umo Basi Edit report.
For the children of the Red Cross Motherless BaBies home Onitsha, Christmas has started already. Foodstuffs, toiletries and goodie bags worth thousands of naira are some of the things donated by K Hair Vietnam to the orphanage. Manager of the company in Nigeria, Gideon Wadirinwa, says the gesture is in appreciation of the great patronage enjoyed, as 80% of their customers come from Nigeria.
Every year we'll be doing it because Vietnam see Nigeria as their second motherland. They love Nigerians a lot.
They deal on boys, waves, bone shreds, natural shreds, all kinds of colors.
Receiving the items, the matron of the Red Cross Motherless BaBies home Onitsha, Bridget Ajalu, expressed appreciation to K Hair for the kind gesture and called on other well-meaning Nigerians to emulate the act.
A scene of emulation. Somebody that is not a Nigerian to come to Nigeria to help the less privileged.
I just want to appreciate them and thank them for all the good deeds that they have done for us. May God continue and praise them.
K Hair is the top one biggest hair factory in Vietnam and supplies hair extensions with great quantities to various countries, including Nigeria. Both manufacturers and suppliers, K Hair boasts of high quality and cheapest hair in the hair markets. In Onitsha, Umo Basi Edit, NTA News.